All right, how to set up for the Jingle Bells project. After you've logged into BandLab for Education, go to your class and you're going to go to Jingle Bells project and just click Start Assignment. Remember to do Teacher's Assignment. All right, now we're going to create an instrument. Okay. And it automatically comes up creating a piano. Don't forget, you can get rid of this. It automatically comes up creating a piano. You can use the piano for now if you want. If you want to change it though, you can change it to anything you want. Okay, in fact, for me, for the demo, I used the vibraphone, but you can use anything you like. Okay. All right, in order to be able to click save, you're going to need to record something real quick. So if I was you, I would just click on record and then do something random and pause. Then you can go click save. We can delete this later, okay? Okay, now let's talk about the music a little bit, the written music. So this is what you're going to see for this project. Title Jingle Bells. Up here are all the notes, okay? Down here, these letters are the letters that match the keyboard in BandLab, and I'll show you what I mean by that when I start teaching it to you, okay? Okay, so let's start learning this. So we made this little piece before. Let's just push this over to the side. So our first step is we're just going to learn how to play this, and then we'll record it later. Okay, so let's look at the first part of Jingle Bells. All right, so if you look down at the letters, they match the letters that you see written on the piano keys. These aren't the letters that we learned like A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. These are the letters that match your keyboard, your computer keyboard. Okay, so we see that we're going to push C, 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 C. Okay, then C, B. Then Z. Okay, so let's do that again. C, C, C. C, C, C. C, B, X. Okay, and that's part one. All right, so now let's learn part two, okay? You notice it starts out with a V, a bunch of V's, a bunch of C's, some X's, and then all the way up to this B. So let's just do the V part, okay? Okay, and then we got C's, then okay, so let me do that real slow. Okay. All right, let's look at part three. And the nice thing about part three, it is exactly the same as part one. So back to Jingle Bells. Okay, now let's look at part four. Part four is similar to part two, but it ends differently. Okay, so we got our V's to C's, up to B, okay, so let me go over that slowly. Okay, and then if you try to put the whole thing together, once you've practiced it nice and slow a ton of times, each little part, then you can start trying to put it together. So And that's it. That's Jingle Bells.